Home improvement season is in full swing, and according to a new home improvement pulse survey by Lightstream, a national online lender for consumers with good credit, these projects are still a priority this year. In fact, in spite of the pandemic, nearly 3 in 4 homeowners are planning to renovate their home in 2020, and almost half are tackling outdoor renovations, perfect for summer. Of course, on everyone's minds right now, though, is how can I afford it? The survey found that 63% plan to use their savings, but that can make some folks nervous in today's uncertain economy, especially if you're tapping into your emergency fund. Another 31% plan to use credit cards, but unless you pay them off quickly, you can end up paying a lot more for your projects over time due to high interest rate charges. So I want to tell you about Lightstream.com home improvement loans, a proven solution for people with good credit. They offer financing online at fixed competitive interest rates with no fees and long repayment terms. With loans up to $100,000, Lightstream home improvement financing can fund practically any renovation, including a fantastic deck for summer entertaining, a new pool, and of course indoor projects too, like kitchen or bath remodel. Now let's talk design touches. It's all about bringing the indoors out and creating a cozy living space outside. Carpets, comfy couches and throw pillows, an umbrella, a fire pit. Then add indoor-looking touches like plants, lanterns, and immediately you have an outdoor oasis. And remember, funds from a Lightstream.com home improvement loan can be used to pay for any item or service associated with your renovation, from construction to the landscaping to final lighting and furnishings, both indoors and out. So get started today, and happy home improvement season.